Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy, and welcome if you are new here. I'm Kshitij and I create DIYs, art, home decor and lifestyle videos here on my channel. And today I'm making a tiered tower, and this video is part of a tiered tower challenge hosted by Amanda from Amanda Anything Goes and Zana from OK at Home. Both of them are amazing creators, and I have linked their channel down in the description box. Do check them out, and also check out the playlist I have mentioned in the description box along with the playlist link on my comment section so that you can find it easily, and check out the playlist also for the other creators. And in today's video I'm creating a tiered tower, and I'm going to reuse the tiered tower for my various kind of DIY decors that I'm going to use all the year round, and I'm going to swap things and keep on reusing my tiered tower. So let's begin with the DIY. To start with, I took a rectangular wooden plug, and I also took spray paint in the color chrome. You can see that the bottle says that it is gold, but the gold is not the exact color. I'm using the chrome metallic color, and I really like the color because I wanted a slightly galvanized and metallic touch that I wanted to create. So I did 2 to 3 coats for my wooden plug, and then I also took 3 wooden blocks, 3 wooden crates to be precise, and I did 2 to 3 coats on them as well. You can see I'm just doing 2 to 3 coats. I'm letting each coat dry, and then I'm doing, and you can see the nice sheen that it gives. It's just almost like a chrome or mirror finish that I'm going to get after it dries up completely. This chrome spray paint gives a nice metallic and mirror like finish. You can see how much it is reflecting light. So this is the kind of look that I wanted. You can use whatever color you want, if you want to use black or gold or white, but I wanted to do something which I can use the entire year round. And I didn't want it black because I would think twice before using black in spring, and white in some other season. So I think this chrome color will be okay and will work for all the seasons. So yeah, this is my choice. You can also select gold, it looks great too. Then I took some wooden beads, and I'm going to arrange them in such a design so that it gives a shape of a flower, a circular daisy flower or a normal round flower. And this is to add a little bit of detail to the wooden crate so that it looks a little bit more elegant. And you can use wooden beads however you want. Another tip that I would like to give you is to always use a hand glove before painting or spray painting, because the chrome paint was just getting stuck all over the hand gloves. So I think it was a good choice to first use hand gloves, otherwise it was really difficult to remove the paint. I tried to decorate the wooden crates with some wooden beads, and I tried to create different kind of patterns. Like the first one I did a small daisy flower, and the second crate I'm just trying to fill up the gaps in between with some wooden beads. The third one also I made a small daisy flower at one corner. So it's just upon your creativity how you would want to do it. And then I glued all the boxes on the wooden plug that I had painted earlier. And now for the trio tray I'm going to create a woolen or yarn pumpkin, and for that I took yarn in orange color, and I wrapped it along my 4 fingers for around 100 to 120 times, and this gives me a nice thick patch of wool, and I'm going to work with this to make it into a pumpkin. Once I had completed almost 120 rounds, I then stopped and cut the excess thread, and then I took another piece of thread and I put it through one end and took it out from the other end, from the inside, like so. And then I tied a tight knot, around 2 to 3 tight knots, and then fluffed up the pumpkin like so. You can see how am I doing it here. Next, to create the stalk of the pumpkin, I took chenille stem in the color brown, and I just twisted it and made a little stalk. You can also add leaves or creepers onto it, and then is the time to decorate the crates. And I had created these DIYs earlier. I will link these DIYs in the description box in case you want to check out how I made these. The purple pumpkin, the purple embellished pumpkin that I created, and on top I have placed this yarn pumpkin that I created just now, and at the bottom end of the tower I placed some fall colored flowers in the hues of yellow, mustard yellow, dark orange and red, and a little bit of white. And also I put a gingham ribbon on one corner. So this is my fall tiered tower ready. It looks very fall inspired, and I think I can use it all the year round, and I can just change the kind of decor for each season or according to my mood, and it works great for all the seasons. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any of my videos. I keep posting every week. Also, let me know how you like today's tiered tower that I created. And thanks a lot for watching, and I shall see you all very soon in the next video. Bye bye and take care.